Mr. Dixon, at this morning's meeting, much was discussed, and one of the main topics was the moving of the railroad crossing signal lights at 12th Street. Could you tell us about that, please?
I have previously written to both the Norfolk and Western Railroad and the Penn Central Railroad requesting that they move these signal lights. As it is now, they are on the right-of-way of the road. The railroad replied to me and assured me that they would make studies, and they also wanted assurance from the proper city officials that they would be paid, since this, they say, and I think they're right, is a city responsibility. The board instructed me to write them requesting that the studies be made promptly and that a firm estimate be submitted promptly, upon which time we'll take the appropriate action.
What else occurred then?
There was a petition presented to us by Councilman Elmer Cox, who advised us that the street lighting on at 13th and Beacon and on 12th and 16th on Meeker Avenue and on Penn and Blaine, between Penn and Blaine on 18th, was inadequate. The board then are going to request the light company to make studies to submit to the board so that we can determine whether or not that lighting can be placed in proper places.
Mr. Harlan, the board also received some letters about the street paving on 12th Street and an alley in the college area. Would you tell us about that, please?
There was a petition filed with the board for 1 block of concrete alley between Calvert and McKinley from Gilbert to North Street. This is referred to the engineering department for studies, prepare plans and estimates for holding the necessary public hearings.
What about the 12th Street paving?
The 12th Street paving we have not permitted the contractor to start this, anticipating the possibility of more bad weather, which would not permit us to get a real good job. There has been work started on it, started this Monday, on the landscaping and seeding and mulching of the areas between the curbs and the sidewalks and the sloped areas. This started at Batavia Avenue and is progressing eastward.